Mama.
You're a good boy.
Open them. Open them.
Money in there?
That's Daddy.
No, that's for Kale from Grandma Carolyn. What do you say? Here, let me have it. You can buy something at the mall today. Kale, what do you say, buddy? Kale. Does it say Happy Easter? Look at Mommy and say Happy Easter, Grandma Carolyn. Kale. Hey, Junior. Kale.